Fractions and decimal solutions part 3. Before we start the sums, let us have a recapitulation of multiplication of fractions. First, reduce the fraction into simplest form. Then, numerators are multiplied by each other and denominators are multiplied by each other. Example, 30 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 9. We can reduce 30 by 4 to its lowest form as 15 by 2. Still, we can reduce, that is 5 by 1 into 2 by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3. Now division of fractions. The divisor is inverted and then proceeded as in multiplication. Example, 30 by 4 and 4 by 9. We can reduce 30 by 4 to its lowest form as 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 divided by 4 by 9 is equal to, taking the reciprocal of 4 by 9, we get 9 by 4. And then multiplying, we will get 135 by 8. Now let's start with the questions. Question 1. A combination lock requires 3 numbers to unlock. The second number is 3 by 5 of the first number. The third number is 3 by 4th of the second number. The difference between the first and third number is 33. What is the second number? Let the first, second and third number be x, y and z respectively. Given, the second number is 3 by 5 of the first number. So y is equal to 3 by 5 of x, that is equation 1. The third number is 3 by 4 of the second number, that is z is equal to 3 by 4y, that is equation 2. The difference between the first and third number is 33. So we get x minus z as 33. X is equal to 33 plus z, that is equation 3. Now let us start solving. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2, we get z as 3 by 4 bracket 3 by 5x. Substituting equation 3 in the above equation, we will get 20z is equal to 9, 33 plus z. 20z is equal to 9 into 33 plus 9z. So using this, we can find the value of z, that is 27. Substituting z in equation 2, we can get the value of y, that is 36. So the required number, second number is 36. Question 2. Malini practices on her guitar 7 1/2 hours in a week. If she practices 1 1/2 hours on each day, then how many days does she practice each week? Hours spent practicing guitar in one day is equal to 1 1/2 hours, that is 3 by 2 hours. Hours spent practicing guitar in 1 week is equal to 15 by 2 hours. So number of days she practices is equal to total hours she practiced divided by hours she practiced each day, which is equal to 5. Question 3. Find the sum of 3 1/4 into 1 1/6 and 3 1/8. The sum of 3 1/4 into 1 1/6 and 3 1/8 is equal to 166 by 24. That is 6 11 by 12. Question 4. The cost of 2 2/3 kgs of wheat is 18 2/3 rupees. Find the cost of 1 kg wheat. Given cost of 2 2/3 kg of wheat is 18 2/3 rupees. Converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction, we get cost of 8/3 kg of wheat is 56/3 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 kg wheat is equal to rupees 7. Question 5. How many 8s are there in 1.75? We can write 8s as 1/8. To find how many 8s are there in 1.75, we should divide 1.75 by 1/8. 1.75 divided by 1.8 is equal to 1.75 into reciprocal of 1/8, that is 8, which is equal to 14. There are 14 8s in 1.75. Question 6. Rachna has 6 1/4 of chapati. How many quarter pieces can she make from it? Racha has 6 1/4 of chapati, that is 25/4. We can know that the quarter pieces can be represented by 1/4. Therefore, number of quarter pieces in 25/4 is 25. Now let's look at another concept, fraction to decimal conversion. To change a fraction to the decimal, divide the numerator by its denominator. Example, convert 15 by 2 into decimal form. 15 divided by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. Subtracting, it will leave a remainder of 1. So now, in order to convert into a decimal form, we should put a decimal point and then add 0 to the remainder. Adding 0 will get 10. So 2 5s are 10. Therefore, decimal form of 15 by 2 is 7.5. Decimal to fraction conversion. To change the decimal into a fraction, write the given number without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Then write 1 in the denominator followed by as many zeros as the number of decimal places in the given decimal number. Example, convert to fractional form 37.15. The fraction form of 37.15 is, first we have to remove the decimal point. And then since we removed the decimal point after 2 digits, on the denominator we have to add 2 zeros along with 1. So if we do that, we'll get 3715 by 100. We can reduce this and write as 743 by 20. Question 7. Which of the following statement is correct? First, let's look at the A option. 6 by 25 converted into decimal. 6 divided by 25, which is not possible. So we'll write 0 and add a point and add 0 to 6. So 25 into 2 is equal to 50, leaving remainder of 10. And then adding another 0, 25 4s are 100. The A option is correct. But let us just look at the B option and all the other options. B option will get 2.08, but in the option they have given 2.8, wrong. C option, we will get 7.166, but they have given 7.15, which is also wrong. D option, it is 1.02, but they have given 1.25. This is also wrong. Question number 8. A cake recipe requires 2 1/5 kg of flour. Approximately how much cake can be made from 22 kg flour? For making one cake, we need 11/5 kg. Number of cakes made from 22 kg is equal to 22 divided by 11/5. That is 22 into 5 by 11, which is equal to 10 cakes. Question 9. How many 8s are there in 1 1/2 plus 2 1/2 plus 1 1/4 plus 2.75? As we can see here, all the other numbers are in fractions, but only 2.75 is in decimals. So in order to add, we have to make them all into a similar fractional form. If we do that, we'll get 11/4. Adding all this, we will get 32/4, that is equal to 8. Number of 8s in 8 is equal to 8 divided by 1/8, which is equal to 64. Question 10. Kanika bought 3 2/5 meters, 3 1/3 meters, 2 3/5 meters of cloth for 3 dresses. If these 3 pieces were cut from a 25-meter roll of cloth, how much cloth was left in the roll? So in order to add this in fractional form, it would take a long time to take LCM and do all of those. So we'll just convert it into decimal and make it as simple as we can. So converting all these into decimals, we'll get 3.4 meter, 3.33 meter and 2.6 meter respectively. So total cloth cut is equal to, adding these decimals, which is equal to 9.33 meter, subtracting it from 25 meter. We'll get 15.67 if we do that. So the remaining cloth is 15.67 meter. Question number 11. What must be added to 2 2/5 to give 3 3/10? Converting these both into decimals, we will get 2.4 and 3.3 respectively. So 2.4 plus n is equal to 3.3. So n is equal to 9/10. Question number 12. Which of the following pairs of fractions add up to the number greater than 5? Converting everything into decimals, we can see that adding the B option gives us greater number than 5. Question number 13. What is the value of 82.20? 2.24 minus 2.24 into 6 plus 3.4 divided by 5 in fractions. We have to follow the BODMAS rule, which tells us that first we have to do division and then multiplication and then addition and then subtraction. If we follow the BODMAS rule, we will get 69.48. Converting into fractions, we get 6948 divided by 100. Question number 14. In 7 plus dash plus 0.026 is equal to 7.826, what is the missing fraction in the blank? Let the missing fraction be n. We get 7 plus n plus 0.026, which is equal to 7.826. From this we can get the value of n, that is 0.8. Since they have asked fraction, we have to change 0.8 into fraction. 8 by 10. That's equivalent fraction is 4 by 5. Question number 15. I cycled 12 kilometers 500 meters and then walked 4 kilometers 250 meters. What is the total distance traveled by me in fractions? Total distance traveled is equal to 12 kilometer 500 meter plus 4 kilometer 250 meter, which is 16 kilometer 750 meter. In fractions, we'll get 16 3 by 4 kilometers. 16 750 by 1000 kilometers, which is equal to 16 3 by 4 kilometers. Question number 16. Rohit participated in a race of 1 3 by 5 kilometers. If he runs 1 by 2 kilometers, then how much distance he still needs to cover to complete the race? Total distance Rohit has to cover is equal to 8 by 5. Rohit covered 3 by 2 kilometers. So distance Rohit still has to cover is equal to 8 by 5 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 10 kilometers. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.